ceasefire elections are...
Now we will appeal peace. We will appeal all people to cast your vote peacefully. There will be no problem. And I think Election Commission must take care of that, so that they should not behave like one-sided people. They should behave like a democrat to save the democracy. And we will appeal the people, and on behalf of my government, I appeal all of the people to behave, to vote for democracy, to vote for peace, to vote for development.
There are 54 seats in North Bengal. During 2019 election, you finally failed that. What about your aspirations? How many seats will you winning in North Bengal?
This time, I think North Bengal will vote for us.
दीदी फोर्थ फेज का आज इलेक्शन खत्म हो जाएगा, क्या लगता है कितने सीट लेके आप आ रही हैं सत्ता में?
देखिए, हम तो एस्ट्रोलॉजर नहीं है, और हम अमित शाह का वहाँ पे मैसेज में भी फोट छुपा के नहीं रख दिया है। उन्होंने जो बोल सकता है हम वो नहीं बोल सकता है, लेकिन वी आर डूइंग बेटर एंड वी विल विन द इलेक्शन। देयर इज नो apprehension about that. You forget that BJP will cross even 70.
Are you also going to the hills for campaigning?
Hill I am not going because my time is very limited, but I will campaign in Matigara and Naxalbari. But hill, my Pahari brothers and sisters, they will campaign. They will do it.
There is confusion between the two parties. What are the...
Please don't ask me this question right now. It's a very serious press conference.
Ma'am, just following this incident, would you like to raise the demand again of the removal of Vivek Dubey from his post?
Of course, Vivek Dubey and also SP also. Why not? Appointed by Election Commission the SP. You tell me he doesn't know ABC of the district and he became the SP. Just before one day of election, somebody is deputed as a SP, somebody is deputed as a DM, somebody is deputed as a IC. They do not know the area even. Only to help the BJP they are doing this. And I am accept what SP has said. He is BJP appointed SP. Of course, he gave the official appointment, but he is a BJP supporter. But how he gave this nuisance statement, I totally condemn, and we will, I told you that whatever CID will decide, and CID, STM and all my important organization, I will tell them whenever power will come to us, we will investigate.
Section of officers are acting at the behest of the central government?
No, you tell me. Law and order is such a subject. They have to know the area. Now everybody is changed. Everybody within only few, 1, 2, 3. Everybody is changed as per central government decision and nomination. They are not capable to run the law and order. They do not know the area, they do not know the people, they have not worked in the field. So you just pick and choose one. He is a BJP supporter and instruction BJP ko vote karna raha hai. What is this nonsense is going on? I have seen so many elections. You know, I contested 8 times parliament election and 3 times this assembly election. So I know the election commission and election. I have seen so many, but I have never seen this type of things.
This is very interesting that you have said that the elections are taking place in a 356 line situation.
If not, then why everything is changed? Why nobody is giving us any information? Why everybody is totally detached from the government? And why they are reporting to only central government?
दीदी आप बार-बार भाजपा पे आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि माहौल बिगाड़।
आरोप तो लगाने का जरूरी है, उसी के लिए लगा रहा है। अभी तो कम बोल रहा है, बाद में और भी बोलेंगे।
रिमेनिंग जो 4 पेजेस के लिए आप कितनी चिंतित हैं?
क्या?
और जो 4 पेज बाकी है, उसको लेकर आप कितनी चिंतित हैं?
क्या आपको लगता है आप कौन टीवी से है?
मैं लाइव से हूं।
अच्छा, तो आपको लगता है हम चिंतित हैं उसके लिए? आपको एक भी दिल में दुख नहीं लगता है जो मर गया है उसके लिए? हम चिंतित है उसका परिवार के लिए जो चला गया उसके लिए। हम इलेक्शन के लिए चिंतित नहीं है कि हमारा कंफर्म है, वो आप चिंता करो, हमारा चिंता करने का जरूरत नहीं है। तो उन्होंने क्या करेगा? उसको क्या है, जो बोलता है उसको मालूम है? पूछे, देश को तो खत्म कर दिया। जो बोलते हैं जो करते हैं उसमें कोई ये है? वो तो सोचता है आई एम द ग्रेटर सुपर ह्यूमन बीइंग, सुपर ह्यूमन। गांधी जी से भी बड़ा हो गया। Yes, of course we will do. Disaster we can do anytime. We will do, because a disaster of I will talk to my chief secretary. Of course, the bereaved families, even whoever is killed in this election, with all the parties, even I don't include only one, I include all. Whoever has been killed, murdered, and police firing, it's a special case. So they must get some relief from the government. And we will do it, but let my Chief Secretary to announce that. ঠিক আছে, কালকে দেখা হবে তাহলে। মাথাভাঙা স্কুলটা সম্বন্ধে কে জানে? মাথাভাঙা হসপিটালের কাছে কি কোনো মাঠ আছে? তোমরা তো জানো, তোমরা তো অনেক দিন থেকে আছো এখানে। কত দূরে? আমার তো পা ছোট আছে না, সেই জন্য প্রবলেম। 1 কিলোমিটার 1.5 কিলোমিটার হলে আমি তো মিটিংও করেছিলাম মনে হয়। ছোট, জাস্ট হেলিকপ্টার ল্যান্ডিং এর জন্য, আর তো কিছু না। বডিগুলো আজকেই ওরা এই করতো, আমার জন্য ওয়েট করছে, সেজন্য আমি কালকে সকালে একবার যাবো। আমাকে my heart is pain because of this incident, and whatever the central forces are doing on the behest of the central government, one day they have to understand they won't be in power. They cannot behave like this. It is not there, the Gujarat dangas. Like this they are doing it, and always clinch it. Everything you do, every wrong you can, king cannot do wrong. Everything you do, and you said that clinch it. What clinch it? From everywhere you can get clinch it, but from your conscience you cannot get the clinch it. Wait for that. Thank you. চা দিয়েছি সবাইকে? একটু চাটা ওটা, চার একটু স্ন্যাক্স দিতে বলেছিলাম। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। তোমরা চাটা খেয়ে নাও একটু, ঠিক আছে? আমি তাহলে ঘরে যাই।